হেল্ল' ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ, আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম গোৱালপাৰা ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টত হৈ যোৱা এইচএছ ছেকেণ্ড ইয়াৰৰ ইংলিছৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ আৰু আমি এইখন কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰৰ গ্ৰামাৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ সলিউশ্যন কৰিম। লগতে অসমৰ বিভিন্ন জিলাত প্ৰি ফাইনেল এক্সাম হ'বলৈ গৈ আছে, গতিকে তেওঁলোকে এইখন কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ চাব পাৰে। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 5ত দিয়া আছে নেৰেশ্যন। এই নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে Why are not you wearing chappals? I asked one boy. My mother did not bring them down from the shelf. He answered simply. ইয়াৰ এনচাৰটো হ'ব I asked one boy why he is not wearing chappals. He answered simply that his mother did not bring them down from the shelf. B নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে I asked Ranjan where Nana lived. Ranjan replied regretfully that he did not know. আৰু ইয়াৰ এনচাৰটো হ'ব I said to Ranjan, where does Nana live? Question mark. Ranjan said, sorry, I don't know. C নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে Rina said to the boy, what's the matter? Why are you crying? Be cheerful. আৰু ইয়াৰ এনচাৰটো হ'ব Rina asked the boy what the matter was and why he was crying. She also advised him to be cheerful. D নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে The teacher ordered Joey to stand up and asked him why he had not prepared his lesson. He also told him that he would write to his father. Your answer to হ'ব The teacher said to Joey, stand up. Why have not you prepared your lesson? I shall write to your father. Question number 6 to দিয়া আছে sense the voice any tree. এই নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে He likes Tia. এইটো হ'ব Tia is liked by him. B নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে Please give me some more time. এইটো হ'ব You are requested to give me some more time. C নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে She handed me the letter. এইটো হ'ব I was handed the letter by her. D নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে When will the work be finished? এইটো হ'ব When will finish the work. E নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে The girl is looking after this little girl. এইটো হ'ব This little girl is being looked after by the girl. F নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে One should keep one's promise. এইটো হ'ব Promise should be kept. Promise should be kept. 7 নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে Correct tense. আৰু Correct tense এই নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে We do our lesson when the light went out. এইটো মই যোৱা ৰাতি ভিডিঅ' এটা দিছিলোঁ, তাৰ পৰা কমন পৰিছে টেন্স এণ্ড প্ৰিপজিশ্যন, ভালেখিনি কমন পৰিছে। চ' ইয়াৰ এনচাৰটো হ'ব We were doing our lessons when the light went out. B নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে if I were you I not do it. এইটো হ'ব if I were you I would not eat. C নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে the train left before we reached the station. এইটো হ'ব the train had left before we reached the station. D নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে I wish I be a king. এইটো হ'ব I wish I were a king. E নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে ফুটবল play everywhere in the world. এইটো হ'ব ফুটবল is played everywhere in the world. F নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে ice float on water. এইটো হ'ব ice floats on water. FLOATS floats on water. G নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে it is time you go home. এইটো হ'ব it is time you went home. H নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে they live in this village since 1970. এইটো হ'ব they have been living in this village since 1970. They have been living in this village since 1970. Question number 8 to দিয়া আছিলে preposition. A নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে he is senior me. এইটো হ'ব to. He is senior to me. B নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে what is the time dash your watch now. এইটো হ'ব what is the time by your watch now. C নম্বৰটো দিয়া আছে the children were looking forward dash their visit to Shillong. এইটো হ'ব to. The children were looking forward to their visit to Shillong. D নম্বৰটো দি আছে a shack has no desire dash material world. এইটো হ'ব a shack has no desire for material world. E নম্বৰটো দি আছে E নম্বৰটো very important হয় for HS final exam 2025. E নম্বৰটো দি আছে India is rice dash minerals. এইটো হ'ব India is rice in minerals. F নম্বৰটো দি আছে Tom is addict dash gambling. এইটো কমন পৰিছে Tom is addict to gambling. G নম্বৰটো দি আছে John was annoyed dash his mother. এইটো হ'ব with. John was annoyed with his mother. এইটো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় G নম্বৰটো John was annoyed with his mother. এইখিনি কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ যিসকলে অন্য ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ পৰা চাই আছে তেওঁলোকে চাব পাৰে.